darkness, put a belt on the 15. No, it's a belt but we never miss slope. Feel like mama could mean a badness, but get tricked to she. Got a bigger gun a squeeze, AR-15, AK clip longer than Swiss. Lead not this sweet, chick lock, I got chip teeth. Tomorrow I must see drumstick. I'm for falling and this and me no junkie. If me ever said the word love, I beg you count me. Me no afraid for broke.
Don't give up, not yet, not yet. 14 walk, dark press.
Clothes on the switches, baby girl, me know you're tired of. For you move a loop, for you move a shoot, baby girl move a fuck.
That left a boy in the past, me shaky as fat with just a handgun dog. He place a ton dark when the rifle a clot. Me full of killers and a top.
And think it's like me gonna left it for him decide. Black rain fall like no flash and split the sky. Me run program heavy where you think fi hide.
I'm a farmer. Me get a clip on me. No for them a search and me notice. Man a profit like a.
Some love no, but don't fall in love. We a fuck grown, she a scream out, she a come low.
These are set up pussy wall. Rhythm, and a beg friend of Bomba blood clot. I'm telling you that thing now. Now start kick somebody in the face, pussy. I'm not two best friends.
Listen, me are looking at Toronto. Me can't tell you the song. The dog starts to say, it's all I can't make so. Oh, thank you, shit, I wash out the blood. Everything so come this and half out. Fuck me, you want to know Toronto. Push that down. Yo, Bomba, ready.
And exhibiting cash.
Yeah, just to show them so they can make it honestly.
Yes.
Yes.
So, what amount of cash do you carry around?
Me always walk with like $1 million, Mr. Winford. Right now, I have some money in my bag. We can show you an example.
Yes, yeah, let me see.
Yeah,
so you have money in that cash in that?
Mr. Winford, I still account all money. Because I remember when new money making it.
Yeah.
You see, Mr. Winford, I still account all money. You understand?
So, okay, so you walk around with all this, but aren't you afraid that you may be targeted and robbed?
Mr. Winford, nobody now really see me in the street and like play with me there because they know so me a youth and me I motivate them to do the right thing.
So they love you so much,
yeah.
You're saying, that they wouldn't want to rob you?
No, I mean I feel so them are gonna do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's risky. However you want to.
What girl body count matter to you?
Yeah. Well, if me don't know you from Adams, how me I gonna know your body count? So that can't be judge of things because me book a girl right now. She can't tell me anything. Me say how much man ever fuck. It's always 3. What's wrong with you now? So me not be.
Hey, Ambre! Yeah, turn left without indicator.
What, officer?
Baby girl. It's about one time I give a ticket, make you a whole book. How your name?
Leave.
You smile pretty in a rock.
Thank you.
Hey, me not lie still. You look like you don't chop no money, you know. If you move the number now.
I know some man handle like that.
Come on, take care. Officer, call back up on the tank and the helicopter. Come on, take care, miss. Come on, take care. Hands up. License, registration, everything. Yeah, come on, take care. You came up, sell what?
The police are dog.
You know VI. Come on, come on.
Officer, he's a son, bro.
Come on, he's
My car, my liar.
Come on, look at your face.
Car, my liar.
Come on, box in your face.
Where your badge number?
You know, you block it up like all of us.
Officer, easy, man.
Alright, up a station. Come in.
Go on this one.